everybody. It's me, Leroy Heartfelt Frazier, and I'd like to share a poem that I wrote with you guys. The title is called Howling Wind, and I don't know if you're familiar with Colorado's weather and how unpredictable it can be, but it can be very unpredictable. And here in Greeley, the wind's been howling since Monday night, so this poem is actually quite accurate of the weather here. But hopefully, despite the weather, this poem can help inspire you a little bit. So here goes, titled Howling Wind by Leroy Heartfelt Frazier. As the wind howls outside, I know that Jesus is within. So I let go of my pride, and then I reach for him. I do not try to hide all of my many sins. Baptized and changed inside, Jesus made me born again. No longer chasing things I once idolized, because Christ opened up my eyes. Now I realize that to truly be born again, we must put away our past foolishness and accept him as our Savior and friend. Which means no matter how hard the wind howls, with a faithful stride, we forever humbly walk with him. That's my poem. I wrote it today. I hope it helps inspire you guys to don't let your inner peace be taken away by external circumstances, because Jesus Christ is still here for you, and he will always be, as long as you let go, as long as we let go of the things we hold on to, because preoccupied hands cannot grasp anything. God bless everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.